Ever wonder what cookware size is right for your kitchen? Today, I'm breaking down ceramic cookware sizes and how to choose the best one for your meals. Each piece has a maximum capacity. That's the most it can physically hold. But the ideal cooking level is a bit lower for safer, more effective cooking. Smaller pans, around 7 to 8 inches, are perfect for sauces, side dishes, or single serving meals. They heat quickly and they're so easy to maneuver. For everyday meals or family portions, a 10-inch or larger pan gives you more surface area and even heat distribution, ideal for bigger dishes and everyday cooking. A good rule of thumb, fill slightly below the rim so food cooks evenly without spills or overcrowding. Choosing the right size makes cooking way easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Pick what fits your meal and cook with confidence.